Recently, I came across several AI-powered projects, including one that received a 30 million grant from the German government. This funding is supporting a project focused on continuous glucose monitoring, or CGM. This issue, let's dive into why AI-enhanced CGM technology is attracting so much global interest. Let's start with some important but tough facts. Over 80% of diseases worldwide are linked to nutrition, impacting around 3.4 billion people. Poor metabolism is a major contributor, responsible for 74% deaths globally and costing an astonishing $3.7 trillion in healthcare expenses every year. Specifically, glucose metabolism plays a central role in many conditions, like type 2 diabetes, colon cancer, breast cancer, acne, migraines, and osteoarthritis. When you look online, you will find tons of healthy recipes. The challenge is that everyone's body responds differently to the same foods, especially when it comes to blood glucose levels, which is why personalized management is so important. That's where glucose continuous monitors, or CGM, are making a big impact. Doctors are now using CGMs themselves and even gifting them. Many young people and new moms I know are using them too. Some friends are even buying them for their pets. For marathon runners, CGMs have become a game changer. These monitors track blood sugar in real time, sending alerts where levels start to drop before the body even feels tired, allowing runners to refuel right when they need it. What's really powerful is that CGMs, combined with advanced AI, can automatically create personalized nutrition plans and predict how a person's blood sugar will respond to specific food. This makes it possible to stabilize blood glucose with small, manageable lifestyle changes that support long-term health. This blend of medical science, AI technology is creating a shift toward proactive health management, and it's catching a lot of attention from investors. The answers that follow are based on expert advice. 1. How to choose a continuous glucose monitor, or CGM. When choosing a CGM, one important factor to consider is accuracy. In the industry, accuracy is measured by something called mean absolute relative difference, or MARD. MARD shows the average difference between the CGM's readings and the lab reference. The lower the MARD, the more accurate the CGM is, which is essential for effective blood glucose management. Right now, the most accurate CGM on the market is the Dexcom G7, which has a MARD of 8.2% for adults and 8.1% for children. This gives you a good benchmark when evaluating different options. How to use a CGM for active health management? First, remember that glucose is the body's main energy source, and our bodies naturally work to regulate it, which means blood glucose levels can go up and down. Many people focus on controlling high blood sugar, but may overlook the risk of low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Most CGMs have alerts for hypoglycemia to help with this. Second, it's important to manage blood sugar levels comprehensively. Besides monitoring fasting and post-meal glucose, there's another key measure called timing range. Timing range tells you what percentage of time your blood sugar stays within a healthy range over the day, showing how stable your levels are. A CGM also helps with creating personalized diet and exercise plans by showing your blood sugar trends and identifying spikes, so you can make adjustments to your daily habits. Finally, stress and emotional changes may have a big impact on your blood sugar level. Some of the latest CGMs even check how practices like meditation and relaxation influence blood glucose, giving you a more complete picture of your health. 3. What are FDA-approved non-invasive glucose monitoring smartwatches and smart rings? If you search online for non-invasive glucose monitoring smartwatches or blood sugar rings, you will find a lot of products claiming to be FDA approved. But be careful, these claims are often not true. Currently, the FDA has warned consumers that no smartwatch or wearable ring device claiming to monitor blood sugar levels is actually FDA approved. That said, in March 2024, the FDA did approve Dexcom's latest product, G8, a blood glucose testing device that has met all the necessary FDA standards. 4. How is Apple's non-invasive blood glucose testing technology progressing? Apple has been working on non-invasive blood glucose testing technology since 2010, and right now it's still in the proof of concept stage. They plan to eventually add this technology to the Apple Watch. You can read my blog for tech details. In the meantime, Dexcom's G7 is already compatible with the Apple Watch, which is the first continuous glucose monitor to offer this feature. Users can check the blood glucose levels in real time just by glancing at their watch, without needing to take out their phone. But if you want to see more detailed data, you still need to use your smartphone. 5. Are there any blood sugar testing smartwatch in China? Yes, there is. In 2023, the Huawei Watch 4 series entered the blood sugar health space, using Huawei's TrueSync 5.0 Plus testing technology. They also partnered with Nanjing Gule Hospital, Peking Union Medical College Hospital, and the China Medical Health International Exchange Promotion Association to launch a high blood sugar risk study. This made the Huawei Watch 4 the first smartwatch in the industry to support research for assessing high blood sugar risk.